Welcome to Genius Print, and this is Surar, and today I'm going to discuss about this state level camp and this exam date for this level 2 examinations. Okay, so before I do this, I'll request all of you, please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon to get these things. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start today's topics. So let's start. That means a couple of the student mentions in this comment section that sir, please take this video for this state level camp. Okay, so I already told in our different video that state level camp is going to that means conduct in offline, but unfortunately it is not conducted in offline due to this COVID-19 situation. It is that means conducting through this now in online. Okay, so through WhatsApp. Okay, so how it is going on? So, through WhatsApp. Those who have that means mention this WhatsApp numbers in your registering, that means first of all that whenever you have registered your names for this POM examination, here these numbers must probably for this WhatsApp number, and this different state are going to make this different group, WhatsApp group, and through this group they are basically delivering this study materials and different syllabus regarding these things. Okay, so all of you have to attend this that means group to get these things. Okay, so I am sure all of you have get this notification regarding this level, that means camp. Okay, state level camp 2, that means level 2. Okay, so if you have not yet that means made or joined this group, please join this group to get this entire that means informations of this level 2 examination. And I already conducted with, that means meet with different student personally, and they already joined this group and got this different level syllabus and this weightage of this different section. They already told in this. Those who have joined this group already got this information through different message or PDF. Okay, so please, if you have not joined this group, please join this group to get this information. Okay, so these are the main informations. Okay, so level, that means level 2 state level camp already announced date, and exam date already announced. Okay, so it is different for this different state. Okay, it is different. Most probably some of the state like Tamil Nadu are going to conduct this date, that exams in 14th February. Okay, some of the state, please mention these things. Those who have belongs to this Tamil Nadu, is 14th of Feb. Okay, 14th of Feb is going to conduct this level 2. Okay, so in this 14th of Feb, another state like Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, and then northeast, whole northeast. Okay, whole northeast state. For example, Assam. Then there is Manipur, Tripura, and Mizoram. Okay, these 4 states also included in this northeast. These all are under 14th of Feb. Okay, and then another is 14th of Feb is northeast. Yes, and it is Punjab, including Chandigarh. Okay, Punjab, including Chandigarh. Okay, these things all under this 14th of Feb. And then remaining things, northeast 1, that is northeast 1 include which? Northeast 1 include Karimganj, then Hailakandi, then Kasar district, etc. Then Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, Meghalaya. Okay, these things under northeast 1. These are also going to conduct in 14th of Feb 2021. Okay, these are 14th of Feb. Another state is Telangana. Okay, Telangana is also there. It is northeast 1, it is northeast 2. Okay, then Telangana is also 14th of Feb. Okay, so these states are under 14th of Feb, and another date they fixed for this 21 Feb. Okay, 21st of Feb. 21st of Feb is going to conduct the exams of Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand. Then it is also Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, then Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, then Gujarat, including Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman, Diu, and Lakshadweep. These all things are under. Okay, I am simply writing this Gujarat. This is also under this 14th of Feb, and also Delhi, and other state like West Bengal. West Bengal is also under this 14th of Feb, and that is Kerala, then Uttar Pradesh, then Rajasthan, Haryana, Maharashtra, Orissa, Jharkhand, and Karnataka. That means remaining all the state. Okay, so basically 2 states are under. Okay, that is on the 14th of Feb are including this state, and this rest of the states are under this 21st of the Feb. Okay, these 2 date has been selected for this level 2 examination. Okay, so those who have belongs to this state, please prepare yourself for that. That means according to this date. Okay, so this is the exam date. Okay, and level 2 camp is that means going on through WhatsApp group. Please participate in this group and join this group and to get this information. Okay, so I am sure these informations are very relevant to these things. And another video I will take which subject, or that means which what type of weightage has been given from the different sections of it. Okay, so according to this weightage, they have that means separated this different subject according to their weightage. So I will take this comprehensive video for it. Please see these all things. Okay, so most probably within 1 or 2 days I will take this video. Okay, so please see all these things, and I am sure by seeing this video you will completely get this clear idea about this that means weightage. Okay, so it should be very important for all of you to crack this level the rest 2 examinations. Okay, so this was under this some of this exam date and the level of state that means camp. Okay, so level 2. So I am sure all of you have selected, that means all of you have understood about these things what I want to share with you. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it and share this video with your friends, because I am sure all of you are frustrated by that means for the date. So please don't be afraid, and level 2 date is that means APR. Whatever information you want to know, please write on this comment sections of this video. Okay, this particular video, write whatever information you want to know. And I already told in different videos that I will take NCERT class also, and due to this shortage of this that means student group, it is extending. Please don't mind about it. These things aren't keep it in my mind. I will take these things, but it may extend for some days. Okay, so don't mind about it, and I will request all of you, please stay with us and prepare continually. Okay, so these things is about in this today's class, and I will take another class for this rest of the things. Okay, so thank you all.